cooler out of this side pannier here. This is this new Coleman cooler that I'm trying. Fits perfectly in the pannier. Take a few cubes out of this little bag I was using to just keep the food cold. Ranch. Wow, the cooler does a good job of keeping things cold. These carrots are almost frozen. Very good. So, I think I'm gonna finish up lunch and turn some music on and then set up camp. So, it's probably 72 degrees now, maybe. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the warm sun a little bit. I think I'm probably gonna cook on the firebox, so I'm gonna walk around and gather some twigs and little pieces of wood. Let's put this ranch dressing away. Pretty much everything that I need for tent and sleep setup is all in here. Alright. First go get my little hatchet so I can tap the stakes in. So one of the campsites just down the road here has a fire pit, and there's clearly no signs of anyone being there, and they left behind some firewood. So I grabbed a couple pieces that I'm going to chop up and use in the firebox so I can have a small campfire tonight. A little rock ledge here is just the perfect working height. I'm going to cook breakfast here tomorrow morning. this morning here, getting ready to make some breakfast. Got my coffee made already. Enjoying the sunrise. Woke up this morning, it was 30 degrees. Right now it's 37. It's been creeping up ever since. And getting ready to make some breakfast. Got some scrambled eggs with some ground up cheddar cheese and some sausage links with some hash browns. And got the oil in the pan already. So gonna get breakfast started. Getting a little breezy. I think that sun is just right about the top. I'm gonna try putting the hash browns and sausage in some foil. Maybe put them inside this pot too. And keep them warm. Alright, these are looking pretty good. Alright, get the rest of the oil in there for the eggs. When I do scrambled eggs, I crack them at home first, put them in one of these stacks containers, which are really awesome. Got the cheese in one, got the eggs in the other, and they stack together. I just don't have to deal with the shells. They work really good for just overnight camps. Got salt, pepper them already. Yeah, this is already plenty hot. Yeah. Oh yeah, those should come out good. Yeah. Got this little pouch off Amazon. It's called by One Tigress, and smaller cook set than what I've been using. I got salt, pepper, and room for powdered drinks here, fire starters, and a little pocket bellows and a fire starter. Some expandable cloths, a knife, stainless steel knife, fork, and spoon, and a roll of foil. And I put the stove in here. You know, stainless steel cookware or utensils is great when you're cooking over fire, like on the firebox, because they won't melt. Same with the spatula. I have melted a spatula before cooking over fire. So stainless steel cook set is great for cooking over a burner and also if he's going to be cooking over a campfire. Yep, this is just about done. Let's see, this is done. Now, I'm going to set that aside. Again, stainless steel over plastic, because as soon as you put hot food on them, those cold cookware, cold plates, sucks all the heat right out of them. It's nothing like a hot meal on a cold day. I'm gonna go get some gloves so I can hold on to that. That's a pretty good breakfast for camping in the desert. This sandwich was a BLTA. It's supposed to have avocado in it, but it's missing the A.